You know that I count all them racks, you know that that's facts. You will get jacked, get hit with that Mac, knock off your hat. You was a rat, take all your stacks. Young nigga came from the bottom, Trapped out that Louis and Prada.
Before we get started, I just want to say that I'll be using this Confu professional hair dryer that was sent to me. I got it on Amazon. I'm going to leave all the information below. It has what is this? A diffuser. Y'all already know how I feel about reading books before using a product. Wow, this is a really pretty blow dryer. Jeez. Oh my gosh. I'm impressed. Soak my hair. This much for one section. Smells good. This is my first time using this, so. Ooh, look already, the curls is popping. Okay, so I'm gonna use this curl, some of the TNM product. Take some Eco Styler. I was like looking up some 4C wet looks and I couldn't really find much. The ones that I did find, some of them were real 4C and then some of them were kind of like subjective 4C. I mean, I hope no one thinks my hair is subjective 4C because this is, well, I don't know if it's 4C. It might be like 4B, but I'm gonna take some more and put it on my roots so that it can be flat because I don't know. I'll clip it to my towel. And now we'll do this side. Stiff wear. Let's try this blow dryer. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest off camera and I'll come back once I get to the front, slick down. But I'm gonna put a little bit more gel and this is so dumb. My hair is way too thick for this. Through and smooth out. So I've got a semi-loose band here. So I'm gonna take the heat protectant, which kind of acts like oil. Put that on there. And then once my hair dries, I'm gonna put argan oil on top so that when I turn my head, you know, my hair don't come 3 business days later. Okay. Gentrification messing up my video. Okay, so I just came out from under the dryer, my soft footed dryer, and I used this and let me not say too much, but let's see. It's still like wet, so. I mean, I'm gonna band it or whatever and leave it overnight. Hopefully that stretches it out a bit and I could go outside looking like money. But anyway, so this is the final look. Obviously my hair is way too puffy for this, way too much. I'm actually really impressed. I used this thing and then I used the diffuser. Honestly, I'd recommend it. Like, it fit right over my hooded dryer, my soft hooded dryer. Like, I didn't think I'd like it, to be honest. I'm so used to my brush blow dryer, but for styles that you don't want to brush your hair out, I recommend this, and it's so cheap. I'll leave the link in the description where you can get this from. Once again, they're not paying me to say this. I'm actually genuinely like, oh, you should buy this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Gripping the block and he don't come on till the morning. I always prayed to have a building with a doorman. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on these endorsements. Now I'm flaunting everything that I wanted. Remember a time when I couldn't even afford it.